How to measure cell transfection efficiency with Zeiss Labscope. Knowing how many cells were successfully transfected is crucial for reliable experiments. Manual analysis can be slow, subjective, and error-prone. With Zeiss Labscope and the AI Transfection Efficiency module, you can automate this process using AI-powered image analysis. Get accurate, objective, and reproducible results directly at your microscope in seconds. Here is how it works. Start by opening Zeiss Labscope. Select the module for transfection efficiency analysis from the software interface. Bring your cells into focus using the transmitted light image. Ensure the cells are clearly visible and evenly illuminated across the field of view. Now, switch to the appropriate fluorescence channel. Here, only successfully transfected cells will emit a fluorescent signal. Activate the AI analysis in live mode. Make sure that only the transfection module is selected to ensure accurate evaluation. Acquire a fluorescence image. Zeiss Labscope will now automatically detect the total number of cells and identify the fluorescent, successfully transfected ones. Within seconds, Labscope analyzes your image. No manual clicking required. The AI distinguishes between transfected and non-transfected cells, ensuring fast and consistent results. Open the results table to view your analysis. You will see the total cell count, the number of transfected cells, and the calculated transfection efficiency as a percentage. If desired, verify the AI detection visually. You can confirm correct identification of fluorescent cells and overall segmentation accuracy. For even higher accuracy, repeat the measurement across several fields of view. Labscope automatically averages your results for a more representative dataset. Manual estimation has its place, but with Zeiss Labscope, measuring transfection efficiency becomes faster, more consistent, and easier than ever. Reduce subjectivity and let AI support your quantitative workflow. For further information, visit our website.